Toyota Concept Y. The Toyota Concept Y isn't just a car. It's an intelligent companion that adapts to you. Using AI, it learns your habits, mood, tastes, and driving behaviors. All this data is then used to make your driving experience safer, more enjoyable, and comfortable. The user interface of the Concept Y is designed to be warm and welcoming. It responds to your voice, touch, and even light, making interactions seamless and intuitive. Its sleek, modern design can adapt based on your preferences and road conditions. One standout feature is its ability to switch between automatic and manual driving modes. You can let the car take control when needed or enjoy the thrill of manual driving when you want. The Concept Y is more than just transportation. It's a companion that enhances and personalizes your journey. Toyota plans to test the Concept Y on Japanese roads in the coming years. While still in the prototype stage, the final model could change depending on demand and specifications. Although it's early in development, the expected price for the Concept Y is still to be confirmed. ElectraMeccanica Solo. The ElectraMeccanica Solo is a single-passenger, three-wheeled electric vehicle designed for modern urban living. Its innovative and compact design offers both practicality and excitement. With a top speed of 80 miles per hour, the Solo delivers a thrilling driving experience while remaining perfect for city commuting. Its small footprint makes it easy to park in tight spaces, a major benefit for urban dwellers. This vehicle is entirely zero-emission, contributing to a cleaner environment. It can be conveniently charged using a standard 110-volt outlet, ensuring accessibility for all users. The Solo is more than just eco-friendly. It's a smart, stylish alternative to traditional cars, combining speed, maneuverability, and sustainability. For those seeking an efficient and forward-thinking transportation solution, the ElectraMeccanica Solo stands out as a true game-changer in the electric vehicle market. GoBoat 2.0. The GoBoat 2.0 is designed to make boating fun and hassle-free. Its standout feature is its extremely stable and durable design, made possible by its proprietary air-core composite construction. This innovative material is lightweight yet rigid, and the boat inflates easily using the included hand pump. To enhance safety, it comes with 3 separate air chambers. Its circular shape ensures it glides smoothly past obstacles, making it perfect for lakes, rivers, or calm waters. The boat is packed with user-friendly features. It includes detachable inflatable seating for customizable comfort. The non-slip foam deck provides secure footing, while storage bungees and accessory slots keep your essentials organized. Weighing just 57 pounds, the GoBoat 2.0 is incredibly portable. It packs down compactly into a carry bag, making it easy to transport and store. For power, it uses a 35-pound electric trolling motor, offering cruising speeds of up to 5 miles per hour. The aluminum transom supports U1 batteries, providing extended run times for longer adventures. The GoBoat 2.0 is available in 2 sizes, making it a great choice for both adults and kids. With prices starting at $753, it's an affordable way to enjoy the water with friends and family. Whether you're fishing, exploring, or just relaxing on the water, the GoBoat 2.0 is ready to deliver a fantastic experience. Invisible mask. Imagine a mask so advanced that it's practically invisible. The invisible mask blends seamlessly with your face while offering exceptional protection. This cutting-edge design uses innovative technology to detect and neutralize viruses in real time. It creates a protective barrier that shields you from harmful pathogens while remaining discreet and comfortable. Its nearly invisible design ensures it doesn't disrupt your appearance, making it perfect for everyday use. At the same time, its virus-neutralizing capabilities provide peace of mind in environments where safety and hygiene are crucial. The invisible mask represents a remarkable fusion of technology and design, revolutionizing personal protection with both elegance and effectiveness. Currently, this groundbreaking technology is still under development and not yet available for public purchase. IoCamper Truck. The IoCamper Truck is a revolutionary solution for outdoor enthusiasts. This innovative openable RV body attaches to dual-cab pickup trucks, such as the Ford Ranger or Toyota Helix, in just 15 minutes. Built with fiberglass reinforced PE material and high-density insulation, it offers waterproof and windproof protection. Advanced seals ensure reliable performance, no matter the weather. It's perfect for camping, fishing, or hunting trips. Inside, the IoCamper Truck provides comfortable accommodation for 4 to 5 people. It features a double bed, 2 single beds, and an optional 5th bed. The interior is designed to maximize comfort and functionality. The kitchen comes well equipped with a hot plate, sink, and an 85-liter refrigerator. The bathroom includes a sink, shower, and a mobile toilet, giving you all the essentials for a great outdoor adventure. Additional features like ample storage, LED lighting, and adjustable leveling legs enhance convenience and usability. Whether you're on a weekend getaway or longer expedition, the IoCamper Truck makes outdoor living easy and enjoyable. Combining comfort and innovation, the IoCamper Truck is the perfect partner for your next outdoor adventure. Magni M24 Plus. The Magni M24 Plus is an Italian-made gyroplane that combines style, performance, and advanced engineering for an unmatched flying experience. It is powered by the 141 horsepower Rotax 915S turbo engine, known for its smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency. This engine supports a robust climb rate of 980 feet per minute at maximum weight, making it ideal for various flying needs. With a cruising speed of 75 knots, a fuel capacity of 82 liters, and a service ceiling of 10,000 feet, the M24 Plus is versatile enough for leisure flights and professional missions. Inside, the executive interior exudes luxury. It features Alcantara seats, user-friendly analog gauges, and an advanced Canadian Digi engine management system. These elements ensure both comfort and precise control for the pilot. Safety is a top priority. The M24 Plus includes electric trim control, 4-point seatbelts, and excellent visibility, offering peace of mind while you soar through the skies. Its sleek design and versatile performance make the Magni M24 Plus a top choice for gyroplane enthusiasts. Whether you're exploring for fun or on a mission, this aircraft delivers in every way. Uber Air. Uber Technologies is working to change the way we travel with an aerial ride-sharing service called Uber Air. This sky taxi service uses electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. These all-electric vehicles are designed with a focus on safety, reducing noise, and improving energy efficiency. Uber aims to offer shared trips, carrying up to 4 passengers, plus a pilot, in each Uber Air vehicle. To make this possible, Uber plans to build skyports in urban areas. These will be hubs for starting and ending flights. Uber Air is expected to launch as early as 2023 and could transform how we move around cities. Otter OT4. The Otter OT4 is an innovative watercraft that combines the thrill of cycling with the excitement of aquatic exploration. This electric bike is designed for water-based adventures, offering a unique and exhilarating experience for outdoor enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Otter OT4 is its versatility. With inflatable pontoons and an electric motor, it can be easily launched from any beach or boat ramp, giving you access to a wide range of waterways. The bike's adjustable pedals and comfortable seating ensure a relaxed and enjoyable ride, even over long distances. Beyond its practical design, the Otter OT4 is a great example of sustainable, eco-friendly transportation. Its electric motor eliminates the need for noisy, polluting gasoline engines, offering a quiet, peaceful journey on the water. The Otter OT4 is the perfect choice for those looking to explore the water in an exciting, sustainable way. Skarper e-bike. The Skarper e-bike is a groundbreaking innovation that turns any standard bicycle into a powerful electric bike with ease. Its unique disc drive technology replaces the rear brake disc with a motorized disc, providing efficient propulsion. This system is compact and lightweight, allowing for quick attachment and detachment. Switching between manual and electric modes is simple, offering you flexibility on the go. With its sleek design and advanced engineering, the Skarper e-bike ensures a seamless riding experience. It reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it perfect for both urban commuting and leisure rides. The e-bike system combines performance, convenience, and sustainability, offering a revolutionary option for modern transportation. Whether you're looking to enhance your daily commute or enjoy a relaxing ride, the Skarper e-bike is the ideal choice for anyone seeking a versatile and eco-friendly way to travel. Solo Electric Sport Car. The Avant Solo Electric Sport Car is a stunning example of modern electric vehicle design. It merges performance and sustainability into one sleek package. Its futuristic look is paired with a powerful electric drivetrain, delivering exhilarating acceleration and a dynamic driving experience. The aerodynamic shape not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves its impressive range and efficiency. Inside, the car features a minimalist, high-tech cabin with the latest driver assistance technologies and infotainment systems, creating a comfortable and modern driving environment. With a focus on both style and eco-friendliness, the Avant Solo is a significant leap forward in the evolution of electric sports cars. Although currently a concept vehicle, it showcases Avant Design's vision for the future of electric sports cars. Tazzari 04 Buggy. The Tazzari 04 Buggy is the perfect off-road vehicle for those who crave adventure with an eco-friendly twist. Built with a rugged all-terrain frame, this buggy is ready to tackle everything from dirt trails to rocky landscapes. Its electric powertrain offers a quiet yet powerful ride, providing smooth and responsive performance without any environmental footprint. With a top speed of around 45 miles per hour, the Tazzari 04 Buggy delivers an exhilarating off-road experience, combining fun with efficiency. Whether you're heading out for weekend adventures or exploring the great outdoors, the Tazzari 04 Buggy lets you enjoy nature in an exciting and sustainable way. It's a perfect blend of power, performance, and eco-conscious design. WaterCar-EV Hybrid Sport. The WaterCar-EV Hybrid Sport is a one-of-a-kind amphibious vehicle that offers the best of both worlds, land and water. Its advanced engineering ensures seamless performance across terrains. On water, it reaches a top speed of 35 miles per hour, powered by a 115 horsepower Mercury outboard motor. With a range of 100 miles, it's built for adventure. The lightweight aluminum frame and marine-grade design make it both durable and buoyant, ensuring reliable performance in aquatic conditions. On land, the 72-volt lithium-ion battery powers a 5 kW AC induction motor, providing a smooth and quiet ride. It can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, transitioning effortlessly from water to road. The WaterCar-EV Hybrid Sport seats up to 6 people, offering plenty of room for friends and family. Its design blends performance, comfort, and style, making it ideal for exciting outdoor adventures. Whether cruising the waves or exploring the road, the WaterCar-EV Hybrid Sport is the perfect vehicle for those who crave versatility and innovation. Doohan iTank. The Doohan iTank is a groundbreaking electric vehicle that combines elements of both scooters and motorcycles. With its unique three-wheel design, it offers impressive stability and safety, thanks to the dual front wheels, each equipped with independent hydraulic suspension. This vehicle is classified as a limited-speed motorcycle in certain regions, delivering a powerful and smooth ride. Doohan calls the iTank the world's first electric crossover motorcycle, positioning it as a versatile choice for urban commuters. The iTank also features Doohan's patented DDWT system, which enhances handling and control for a safer riding experience. This innovative electric motorcycle is further enhanced by a smartphone app that enables remote monitoring and diagnostics, keeping riders informed and secure. While the Doohan iTank may no longer be widely available due to distribution changes, it remains a remarkable option for anyone looking for a unique and reliable electric motorcycle. With its distinctive design and advanced safety features, the iTank continues to stand out in the world of electric transportation. Perraro Polar Foldable Electric Trike. Looking for a trike that combines versatility, safety, and convenience? The Perraro Polar is here to impress. Priced at $2,199, This foldable electric trike is designed for adult riders, making daily commutes and leisure rides more enjoyable. Powered by a 750W Bafang motor, it delivers speeds of up to 26 miles per hour. Whether you're running quick errands or going on longer journeys, the 48-volt 15-amp-hour battery offers a range of up to 65 miles on a single charge. The foldable design adds a lot of practicality. It's easy to store and transport, perfect for those tight spaces. Plus, the large rear basket comes with an insulated food bag, and it's even pet-friendly. So, whether it's groceries or your furry friend, the trike has got you covered. For smooth rides, the Shimano 7-speed shifter makes transitioning between electric and pedal assist modes effortless. It also features a 3.5-inch IP65 waterproof TFT display, providing clear ride data at a glance. When it comes to comfort, the Kenda Fat tires and front suspension for it ensure a stable and smooth ride, no matter the terrain. The trike also comes 85% pre-assembled, saving you time and effort when setting it up. And for extra peace of mind, it includes a 2-year warranty on the frame and motor. Whether you're a first-time rider or an experienced trike enthusiast, the Perraro Puller offers a reliable, comfortable, and fun riding experience.